Monte Charcoal, more like Monte Frosto. It's a little chilly out this morning, folks. We're gonna do a cold start. So if you have yet to see this car, this is my 1987 Monte Carlo that I swapped a 6.5 Detroit diesel into. It's got a turbo 350 transmission and 411 gears. It goes pretty good. Engine has about 50,000 miles on it, so it's brand new. Not plugged in. I do have glow plugs, but they're the 12-volt ones, so they take a little bit longer. So we'll see how it goes. Oh, yes. Right on the intake, 33 degrees. Water. What do we got? A little warmer. It's for the Euro crowd. 1. Fucking love that. Probably the coolest engine swap I've done in a while.